Welcome back to the World History Channel.
The distinguished design,
The ravishing red paintwork
and phenomenal performance helped make Ferrari one of the most recognizable
and popular sports car brands in the world.
Its iconic, prancing horse badge is synonymous with speed, quality, and style. But have you ever wondered how these vehicles are made? In this feature,
We'll take a look inside Ferrari's multi-billion-dollar luxury production factory in Italy.
all Ferraris begin their life at the Maranello factory.
In the province of Modena,
Crafting perfection takes time,
with the average Ferrari
requiring approximately 3 months to complete.
bespoke orders can take even longer.
First, the engine is cast in the foundry,
Before it is assembled by hand on a state-of-the-art production line.
robots are then used to attach the final valve.
Mechanics to the engine. At that point, the heart of the machine is complete.
Next, the body is constructed piece by piece.
As it travels down the assembly line, machine-driven lifts help to transport the vehicles smoothly and safely,
Adjusting its height and positioning
so that each stage of production
can be carried out by the mechanics with ease.
Ferrari's factory balances traditional methods
With modern innovations to achieve the best possible performance.
for its vehicles. Ferraris come in a range of eye-catching hues.
While red remains the most popular color choice, it is not the only option for Ferrari paint job. Once a customer has chosen the color,
and finish they want,
the frame of their car is carefully crafted
it is then given a path
to protect the metal from corrosion.
before the base coat is applied.
This part of the painting process is completed
Using a combination of robot and manual labor to ensure that every nook and cranny is thoroughly coated.
The layers of colored paint are then applied accurately and swiftly by flexible, robotic spraying machines in just a matter of minutes.
Ferrari is not the only luxury car manufacturer
Embracing cutting-edge technology
and incorporating it into its assembly process.
to improve quality and efficiency.
This popular German brand is also utilizing modern additive manufacturing practices
To produce state-of-the-art components
like pistons for its cars. Through 3D printing technology, the company is able to optimize the piston structure
and reduce its weight, creating designs that would not be possible with traditional engineering methods. This technical know-how
has enabled Porsche to increase average engine speed
and
lower the temperature load on its vehicle's pistons. Another luxury car brand from the Volkswagen Group,
Audi
has also embraced technological innovations
to streamline its production methods and boost efficiency.
The company employs up to 12 robots along the production line of its Audi OS model.
These machines position and add individual components,
relieving humans of
the repetitive aspects of the assembly process.
The manufacturer has also developed the concept of modular assembly,
which comprises small, separate workstations to allow greater flexibility. The process is estimated to have improved productivity by at least 20%.
Of course, alongside their stylish looks. Sports cars must also deliver top-notch performance. It's for this reason their engines need to be subjected to rigorous testing to ensure they make the grade and live up to customers' expectations.
First of all, the engines are tested outside the car,
Often for many hours at a time, using machines known as test benches.
These computer-assisted devices enable vehicle manufacturers to simulate the wide range of conditions in which the engine must operate without fail.
The engine's components are then fine-tuned to deliver optimal performance.
based on the data gathered. Once these initial tests have been completed,
The engine is installed into the car. A system known as a dynamometer, or a dyno for short,
is then used to conduct further trials. Dyno testing can measure the force,
torque and power of a vehicle.
The car is placed onto a rolling road, just like a treadmill in the gym, and its engine is revved up and accelerated,
allowing the dyno to take precise measurements of its air-to-fuel ratio and the load resistance.
Dynamic meters
Can also calculate the vehicle's horsepower.
These intricate tests
Allow any inefficiencies to be corrected
and upgraded before a vehicle is sent to the showroom.
amid growing concerns over climate change. Recent years
Have seen an uptick in consumer demand for more ECO-friendly technologies, driven by increased environmental awareness and running
reduced
costs for consumers.
manufacturers such as Porsche are now developing high-performance electric vehicles
Or EVs,
to
supplement their lineup of internal combustion models.
The Taycan GTS, for example, can reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour
And is capable of accelerating from 0
to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds.
Figures like these are helping to dispel the old-fashioned misconception that electric means slow. The Taycan also has staying power, having set an impressive 13 endurance records around the UK's famous brand's Hatch Racing Circuit in 2021.
Throughout the 20th century,
Luxury sports cars
cemented their place as the ultimate status symbol.
attracted by super-fast record-breaking speeds, such as those achieved by the Bugatti Veyron Supersport, which reached 431 miles per hour,
And the Shelby Supercars TU Aturo,
which topped out at 509 miles per hour.
luxury sports car enthusiasts
Continue to see more satisfaction for their money. It's hardly surprising, therefore, that forecasters are predicting a smooth road ahead for the industry. The global sports car market
was valued at $31.6 billion in 2019.
and is anticipated to climb as high as $56.3 billion by the year 2025. This represents an extremely healthy compound annual growth rate of over 10%.
During the 6-year period,
Market demand for ECO-conscious high-performance vehicles is also on the rise, with analysts projecting that EVs will account for 1/3 of global sports car sales by 2026.
so whether gas or electric,
It promises to be full speed ahead for luxury sports car manufacturers for the foreseeable future. A trend that will certainly birth more innovations.
at their multi-billion-dollar factories and assembly lines. That's the end of this feature on the world history.
I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to catch us on our next video. See you next time.